Andrew here, Dr. Detail. I am going to repair curb rash on a brand new 2018 Honda. These wheels, the profile are out a little more, so they're very susceptible to curb rash. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com, DrDetailInc.com. Andrew, this is Andrew, and I am going to repair the curb rash on this 2018 Honda, and this is video 1. Thank you. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. Andrew here, video 2. I just repaired the curb rash on this brand new Honda. I think it has about 180 kilometers on it. We just finished the curb rash, all there. Beautiful, nice. Brand new car. The profile on this wheel sticks out a lot. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. We're doing a lot of Hondas. We are the Honda pros. We also do a lot of Mercedes too. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. Curb rash repair.